Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, if you look at this particular chart of natural gas, what we have seen after making this particular high at around $10, what we have seen, it tries to make a swing at this particular level. Okay, and after going that, it made a high of around $8.110. There is a continuous downfall we can see, and this downfall is after making this particular high. Okay, and you can see these continuously 4 week we have seen the price of natural gas was continuously down. Otherwise, if you look at the particular trend of natural gas, you can see before 2021, that is from October 2020, we have seen there is a pattern forming. Okay, and this pattern says that whenever it hits its previous high, we have seen it made a new high, and from there we have seen there is a sharp fall comes, and after this sharp fall we see a swing form, and then this swing creates an uptrend and form which makes this previous high move upside and make a new high. You can see this is being repeated 4-5 times continuously. So probability is high that suppose if it form a swing at this particular level, and if it sustain above a level of around 4.9, which is a crucial resistance as well as support, now it is acting as a resistance. So once it sustains above this level, chances are very high that from 4.9 we can see a level of 6.5 and then further upside. Okay, before we move forward and explain you, if you have any doubt, mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so suppose if this level form a swing at this particular level, we can see it can go further upside and a probability of going towards $4.220. Okay, and this particular resistance is already a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there. We can see it can touch a level of $4.463, and once it sustain above that particular level, we can see it can go further high towards a level of 4.790, and this level is again a weak resistance, so chances of moving further upside is there. We can see a level of $4.930 to a level of around $5.1. As I have already told you, once it sustains $4.70, 4.9 is a strong resistance, which if it once sustain, probability of going towards 5.1 will be there, and from there we can see a level of $5.3. Okay, and once the price sustain above 5.3, then we can see a trend towards an upside will start, and we can see a level of 5.7 also to a level of $5.9. Okay, so once it sustain 5.3, we can see a level of 5.7 to a level of 5.9, and once from there we can see a level of $6.1. Okay, and once the price sustain above that level, we can see a level of $6.1 to a level of 6.5. okay, and then further upside if the price sustain this level. So once it sustain above 6.5, probability of going further upside is there. Okay, now as you can see that for there is a continuous downfall in the price of natural gas. Okay, so suppose if this level didn't sustain, which is on a higher chances. Okay, if it goes below a level of $3.8, it can go further low. Okay, so suppose if this level didn't sustain, we can see it can go towards a level of $3.793. Okay, and once the price fall below this level, it can come towards a level of $3.52, which is a weak support. You can see it can go towards a level of around $3.401, and if that level move further low, then we can see it can touch a level of around $2.780. Again, I repeat, if the price move below a level of $3.8, we can see a level of $3.5. okay, and this $3.5 is a weak support, so chances of moving further low is there. We can see a level of $3.2, and from there we can see a level of $3.053. okay, keep this in mind. Once it fall below this particular level, we can see it can fall further low towards a level of $2.803. from there we can see it can move further low, and probability of going towards a level of 2.4 is there, and once the price fall below this level, then we can see it can move further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Now understand something, that most of the people lose money in trading. Okay, so what I teach in my workshop, suppose you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade. Okay, that is 1,000 to 1,500. A risk of 0.5 to 1%, that comes to $50 to $100 per trade. So suppose if you took 5 trades, your maximum risk per trade is $100. That comes to 500 for a particular day. Suppose if you lose all 5 trades, your maximum loss is $500. What people do is they lose so much money in the first day itself, suppose 5,000, 3,000, then they try to recover it, and in that process they lose their full capital. This is what they do. So what I teach in workshop, how to overcome all these things, when to strategize, when to hedge, when to overcome, when to double the investment and all that thing. These are the things which I teach. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you do my channel, subscribe. Thank you.